Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Did you see my video yesterday where I took my black cherry baton and turned it into a bow drill set? And we was able to get the friction fire, but now I need another baton. And I want to use a piece of this dogwood because it is so hard and so heavy. Let's take this up to the fire table, turn it into a baton. I wonder how I could get rid of all these little branches. All right, I'm going to clean that bark off of there, round over all those corners, and we'll try it out. That looks a little bit better. Put all the bark off, and these corners chamfered a little bit. This wood is so unbelievably hard. It's going to make a great baton. Well, that worked. Well, I think our new baton is going to do great. It's heavy enough to get down on it when I need to, and thin enough when there's just the tip sticking out of that piece of wood that I'm batoning. It can catch that tip. Let's go ahead and make a fire. I completely dulled that spine, scraping that dogwood. This is a Smith's sharpening stone. You can get them at Walmart for about $19 or $20 over in the sporting goods section. And I am sharpening that spine on the coarse side of that stone. And you want to keep sharpening until you feel a little burr. So that is ready for the ferro rod now. And here are our scrapings and shavings. and bayite ferro rod, 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. It doesn't want a ferro rod ignite. Not very flammable, is it? We'll make it burn. All right, we'll let that cook down into those good, bright white, very lightweight ashes, and we'll harvest them, put them in my fire roll bottle. To be continued. All right, it's 2 hours later, and I just love the white ash that dogwood makes. Let's go ahead and strain them out, put them in my bottle, and try them out. And we'll use our new baton as the top board. About a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes. And then we need some ashes on the bottom board also. All right, the straightest part of this baton looks like it's going to be up on this edge right here. That's what we'll top board it with. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, And in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. This is more like a club instead of a baton. Let's see if we can break up a cinder block. That'll be interesting. I use that knot right there. Yep, it's more like a club, isn't it? We'll catch you on the next one.